Hello there, good morning. Well, it's going to be a cold start ahead of a chilly day, but there's a good chance that we could see some more sunshine, particularly if you compare it as of recent days. But quite a damp start across Northern Ireland, southern parts of Wales and Cornwall. Also a chance we could see some snow across higher ground and towards some hills. And also a chance we could see some freezing rain, so do take care for any icy stretches. A fairly cold and frosty start elsewhere, but through the course of the day there will be plenty of dry weather, perhaps even some sunshine. That's away from this area of cloud and rain that's slowly shifting its way northeastwards towards the country. So for Northern Ireland, southern parts of Wales and also parts of the southwest, it's likely to be quite a grey and dreary day with outbreaks of rain. Some moderate to heavy bursts as well also possible, and fairly blustery too around western coasts. But elsewhere, probably a more pleasant day compared to recent days, and a chance we could see some brighter spells. Now, temperatures are still just below average for the time of year for many of us, so it is still going to be feeling fairly chilly, but something slightly milder just starting to creep in to the southwest. Now, heading into the evening, once again, we'll continue to see this area of cloud and rain slowly shift its way northeastwards. This is where we're going to continue to see some outbreaks of patchy rain. Also a chance still that we could see some hill snow, particularly across Wales and then later on across western parts of Scotland, and still continued risk of some freezing rain possible too. So once again, a chance we could see some ice by the time we reach Saturday morning. And similarly, we'll see a mix of cloud and clear spells elsewhere. So another chilly night on offer and a chance of some frost by Saturday morning. Now, for the beginning of the weekend itself, there's still going to be plenty of grey skies around, I'm afraid. Quite drizzly across parts of Wales, the southwest, later on into central and northeastern parts of the UK. Even across Scotland, we could see some drizzle at times, and still a chance of some hill snow. And once again, as that milder air falls into the colder air, a chance we could see some freezing rain. So there is still the risk of some ice possible. Elsewhere, it should be slightly drier, particularly across the southeast, where there is a chance of seeing some brighter interludes. But once again, a fairly chilly day on offer, and it could be quite damp for some. Now, what about the rest of the weekend? Well, we still have this battle between low pressure out to the west and high pressure out to the east, and that means also a battle between milder and colder air. And as that milder air brings rain and falls into the colder air, once again we could see a chance of some hill snow. But for many, particularly across the northeast, it's still going to be rather cloudy and grey and often quite chilly. And across the southwest, largely milder, but still a chance we could see some rain. For more details on this weekend's weather, you can catch Aidan. Otherwise, that's it from me. Bye-bye.